You ran out of breath. I'm so tired of Cash and his ghetto ass daddy. Why the fuck he got this pamper in the seatbelt like you was savoring it? You're sad, Tracy. Good birthday meal. Chef Mo came and hooked your girl up for her B-Day. Okay. I know y'all think Cash and got Tracy here because it's good as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. But do you see this shit? Don't sleep on your girl.
I don't sleep on you.
Don't. Hello.
Why you got one side, baby?
Boy, bye.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.